Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial. My name is Samantha. I am a first year vocational training student in business administration, and today in this video we are going to explain exercise number 3. As we already know, in this practice we are going to connect to a local network within the teacher IP to be able to carry out the exercise 3. Let's do it. We will connect to the folder templates 3, this PC, Mac Network Drive, Drive M, la IP, okay. Templates 3. Okay. We will work on documents and exercise 3. Okay. Very much. We will use the search system. We are going to create the folders. We will name them. What we will have to do is to organize the files in these folders. Okay, templates. Okay. Perfect. Okay. Click OK. Okay. January. Okay. January. Control A, Control C, January, Control B. Control A, Control C, Control B. In this month there is nothing, for example, August. This is the last month, December. Okay, December. Okay, December, Control A, Control C, and Control B. We have finished the exercise. Do not forget to disconnect from the local computer template. Okay, expand template and disconnect. Okay, and that's all. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you had enjoyed this video. See you soon. Bye bye.